Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode on your OneDrive mobile application. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to enable the dark mode on our OneDrive mobile application. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to this Me button right here. It's on the bottom right corner of the screen, right next to Photos. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. As you can see, lots of options like files available offline and everything. Right now, what you guys need to do is simply scroll right over to Settings. Click on it right now. Once you are in the Settings page, lots of options once again. Simply scroll down till you see something like Theme. It's just below Privacy and Permissions. Click on it, and from here, this thing will open up. Simply select the dark mode as we do want to enable the dark mode. Just click on it right now. And guys, that's it. As you can see, dark mode has been enabled for our OneDrive mobile application. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.